Hello everyone, welcome to Invest Wisdom channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start an online business for beginners. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. It was hard to start a business in the past because you would need to hire someone to manage the business. Only people who have money can hire others to manage their business. But now, those days are gone. The world has changed. Entrepreneurship is now available to everyone. The internet has made it possible for anyone with a computer and a great idea to start their own business. It's never been easier to start a business than it is today. In the past few years, we have seen the rise of entrepreneurship in places that have never been a fair game before. South America, Asia, and Africa are some of the new hotspots for entrepreneurs. Since starting a business is not as difficult as it used to be, you can start your online business now. And in this video, we will be sharing 8 steps on how to start your online business for beginners. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. The first step in starting your online business is deciding what kind of business you want to start. Researching is vital on this matter. There are many types of online businesses you can start. The first step is to decide which one is the best fit for you and your skill list. Do you want to start an e-commerce store, a blog, an information product business, a service-based business? Once you've decided on the type of business you want to start, you can start thinking about monetizing it and making money. For example, if you want to start an e-commerce store, you'll need to find a niche market and source products to sell. If you're going to start a blog, you'll need to choose a topic and start writing content. And suppose you want to create an information product. In that case, you'll need to select a topic and create valuable content that people will pay for. There are many ways to make money online, so take some time to decide which approach is best for you. Deciding to start your own business is a big decision. There are a lot of factors to consider, and it is essential to do your research before you take the plunge. One of the most important things to research is the industry you're interested in. What are the trends? What's hot right now? How are businesses succeeding? But it's not enough to just look at the surface. You also need to dig deeper and find out what makes those businesses successful. What are their unique selling points? What do they offer that other companies don't? Once you've done your research, you'll have a better idea of what kind of business you want to start, and you'll be more likely to succeed. Second, know what you want. Find where you are good at. Before you start an online business, it's essential to take some time to figure out what you want to achieve and what your strengths are. This will help you create a foundation that's more likely to lead to success. First, ask yourself what you want to accomplish with your business. Are you looking to make a full-time income? Or are you hoping to supplement your current earnings? Once you have a clear idea of your goals, you can identify the skills and knowledge you'll need to reach them. It's also important to get realistic about where your strengths lie. While it's possible to learn new skills, it's often easier and more enjoyable to build a business in an area where you already have expertise. If you take the time to assess your goals and strengths before launching an online business, you'll be setting yourself up for success. Third, identify your target. Whether online or offline, any business has to start with a clear understanding of its target market. Who are you selling to? What are their needs and desires? What problems do they need to be solved? Once you have a solid grasp of these questions, you can start to build a business designed to meet your target market's needs. However, it is also essential to make sure that you are part of your target market. After all, if you don't understand the problems that your customers are facing, it won't be easy to create a successful business. Fortunately, there are many ways to get to know your target market, from online research to talking to people in your industry. By taking the time to understand your target market, you can set your business up for success from the very start. Next, analyze the competition. A crucial part of starting any business is understanding the landscape you'll be operating with. What are your potential customers? What do they want or need? And most importantly, who else is trying to provide them with a solution? If you can't answer these questions, you're at a significant disadvantage. Competitor analysis is a process of understanding who your competitors are, what they're offering, and how they're positioning themselves in the market. This information is critical in helping you to find your niche and develop a unique selling proposition. You'll be blindly trying to succeed in an already saturated market without this knowledge. So, if you're starting, take time, take the time to do your homework and understand who your competition is. It could be the difference between failure and success. Then, know the legal requirements. You should keep a few things in mind when starting an online business, especially when it comes to legalities. First of all, you'll need to meet all the legal requirements for doing business online. This includes obtaining any licenses or permits required by your state or local government. Once you've taken care of that, you'll also need to ensure your website complies with all relevant laws and regulations. For example, suppose you're selling products or services online. In that case, you'll need to ensure that your website meets all consumer protection laws. Additionally, it's essential to be aware of copyright and trademark law and any regulations related to online advertising. By taking the time to research the legalities of starting an online business, you'll need a better position to create a thriving enterprise. Afterward, set up your payment gateway and payouts. Suppose you're just starting in an online business. In that case, it's essential to get your payment gateway and payouts set up correctly from the outset. This will help you keep on top of your finances and ensure that you're paid promptly for any work. A payment gateway allows customers to pay for goods or services using their credit or debit card. There are many different payment gateway providers available, so it's essential to choose one right for your business. Once you've selected a payment gateway, you'll need to set up a merchant account with your bank. This will allow you to accept payments through your gateway. You'll also need to set up assistant payouts. This is how you'll get paid for your work. There are various payment methods available, and again, it's essential to choose one that suits your business. By taking care of these crucial elements, you can ensure that your finances are in good shape. The sixth step is to create a marketing plan. Marketing is a critical component of any business, but it can be incredibly challenging for small businesses with limited resources. However, there are many ways to market a small business effectively, and many of them are free or low costs. One of the most important things to do is to identify your target audience and figure out where they are spending their time online. Once you have done that, you can create content design to attract their attention and interest them in what you have to offer. There are several ways to distribute this content, including social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. You should also include calls to action that encourage your target audience to take the next step, whether it's visiting your website or making a purchase. By taking the time to create a well rounded marketing plan, you'll be well on your way to success. Choosing a catchy and memorable name for your website is also essential. You'll also want to make sure your website is easy to navigate and provides valuable content that visitors will appreciate. You can help ensure that your online business thrives by taking care of these things. Lastly, establish your presence on social media. Social media is the most powerful tools you have at your disposal when it comes to business. It gives you a platform to showcase your products or services. Still, it also allows you to connect with potential customers from all over the world. However, starting a social media account can be a daunting task, especially if you're new to the industry. The key is to start small and focus on quality over quantity. Establishing a strong presence on one or two platforms is better than trying to maintain a presence on all of them. Once you've built up a following, you can then start expanding your reach. But remember, the key to success is consistency and engagement. If you can keep these things in mind, you'll be well on your way to building a successful social media presence for your business. Anyone who's been around the internet for more than a minute knows that it changes fast. New platforms, technologies, and new features seems to top up every day. It can be hard to keep up, but despite all the changes, some things stay the same. If you want to be successful in starting your own online business, these tried and true principles are the steps you need to know. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.